Welcome back. You're tuned into Property It's Hot. The four walls of the house never feel big enough and we constantly crib about the lack of space. Anything beyond the bare necessities like greenery, house plantation feels like letting go of free space. But what if we tell you that you can actually have all the greenery that you want in your matchbox apartment and still enjoy space? Ashish Bhatia tells you how that's possible.
Either a pot or a flower vase. These are the easiest and the most common escapes to getting a green feel in a matchbox apartment. City life, synonymous with tiny apartments, barely allow enough space to get the basic furniture layout right. Forget then a craving to house plants indoor and choose instead the age-old box grill to stack an array of pots. Big ones, small ones, all fitted a tad forcefully side by side. With vertical gardens, it's possible. An innovative concept which is becoming popular for those determined to overcome the limitation of space in metros. The name says it all. Vertical garden is a concept that can be used to plant a sapling and fit it vertically over walls. Where there is a wall, there can be a vertical garden, freeing up that much needed floor space. Another big plus point, balconies blocked by pots get freed up for a clear view of the outside world. Plant lover for over a decade and now a celebrated professional in landscaping, Mukul Bandiwadekar has a naturally trained eye when it comes to spotting a great green idea.
See, I'm into this business of nursery since last 15 years approximately. While transporting my own plants in my vehicle, some soil was on the mat, and during monsoon season or something like that, the few seeds or something germinated on those mats. So those mats can give a nice support to roots. So I just came across that different material. When you don't have a space on the ground, then why not go on the walls? So this technology is totally replacing the conventional method of potting on the ground in conventional pots. We are just going on the walls.
So if you want to get started with exploring a vertical garden option, here's how you can get started. Study the walls for temperature and lighting at different heights. Depending on the suitable growing conditions at each height, choose an appropriate sapling. If the sunlight is far from reach for the plants indoor, install artificial lights that are easily available in the market. Another big advantage, vertical gardens offer a manual option for those who want to keep the personal touch, and an automated one for the ones always in a rush.
Basically, in a city like Bombay, when we have to run round the clock, here you don't have time. So watering and everything is taken care by automated timer. The water can be recycled or a fresh water can be used.
The system can be scaled from indoors to the outdoors. The already negligible society premise can be freed up of the bulky pots to give you that valuable parking space. Not just that, rusty water tanks, lackluster compound walls can now be uplifted by installing the vertical garden pads too. During installation, there is a mounting space that's left between the wall and the pad. A plastic layering at the base of the pad ensures that moisture doesn't get trapped underneath the pads. This to prevent your walls from getting damp. As a result, they will retain the sheen. The installation price exclusive of a maintenance contract is calculated on a per square feet basis, 2200 to 2500 rupees per square feet for an automated system, 50 to 55 rupees less per square feet for the manual option. For instance, a 100 feet wall, that is a 10 feet by 10 feet wall, will cost anywhere from 2,20,000 rupees to 2,50,000 rupees. Bio walls are vertical too, but instead of the plants growing out of the pad pockets like the former, this arrangement allows you to hang the pots vertically. They bring the cost down to 1,350 to 1,450 rupees per square foot. All you have to do is choose a frame to fit the vertical garden and use the length and breadth of your homes to have greenery like you never imagined. Suddenly, you have double the space to house your green, kitchen windowsill for your own kitchen garden, living room, bedroom, you name a corner of the house, walls inside or outside. It can help you host greenery without occupying too much space there.
If you're one of those plant lovers who's craving to talk to your plants but can't do so because of the tiny matchbox apartments, all you have to do is adopt these innovative yet simple to adopt ways so that you too can enjoy the benefit of sowing the seeds and reaping the benefits of housing greenery in that very same matchbox apartment. With camera person Anand Malepu and Rakesh Solanki, Ashish Bhatia for Ndtv.
We hope you enjoyed the show today. If you're on the hunt for some hot properties and even hotter home decor tips, or if you want to feature your home in our Beautiful Home segment, then write into us at hotproperty@ndtv.com. You can also SMS us at 56388. We'll be back next week with all things hot in property. Goodbye.